Today, it sounds like we could actually maybe have something produced from those clouds.
Right. Yeah. We are going to be looking at the return of a more active weather pattern starting today. We've been kind of in this calmer weather pattern at least past couple days with the clouds this morning, along with a little bit of a breeze. You can see that kind of sheen here on the pavement from some of these light showers that have been passing on through the area. Temperatures right now, middle 70s, Austin Airport, Camp Mabry. We've got those dew points up there in the upper 60s. Winds still out of the south-southeast that are going to be a little bit gustier today compared to what we had yesterday. A look at our radar. A lot of this green you see here, it's just some ground clutter that the radar is picking up on, but we do have some light showers that are, again, have been passing through the Round Rock area, Georgetown. We currently have a few of those just off to the west of Granger and Taylor at the moment, and we will continue to watch for more isolated showers through this morning. Now, the thunderstorms arrive by this afternoon. This is what we've been tracking all throughout the week. This broad upper level area of low pressure, about 18,000 feet high in the atmosphere, that's going to be swinging out across the Texas panhandle, and it's already been bringing a swath of severe weather out across North Texas, the panhandle into Oklahoma, and will bring us the potential of seeing some isolated strong severe storms as we head into today. Now, the bullseye, it's going to remain well to the north of us when it comes to the better ingredients for those strong to severe storms. However, we do have a level 1 out of 5 risk to see some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms across central Texas, with some of our far northern counties being clipped by that yellow level 2 out of 5 risk. Our main risk today, threats with these thunderstorms that do happen to develop, will be the capability of them producing some gusty to damaging winds, along with some large hail and even some pretty heavy downpours could lead to some flood advisories today. That tornado threat, it is low but not completely zero for today. So notice that cluster of storms, the bulk of it stays to the north of us. Through this morning, a couple more areas of some light rain, partly cloudy sky by this afternoon. It's as we get closer to about 3-4 o'clock, we'll start to see some showers and storms across the area. I will say models have been back and forth regarding how far this line of storms reaches down into our area. Some don't show much at all. Others show a couple of them managing to develop near the I-35 corridor by 5-6 o'clock. So that's one of the things we'll be watching out for. Any storms that do develop, again, could be some hail producers and also produce those gusty winds. Those wind down after about 10 p.m. this evening, and then we're left with another quieter start to your Thursday. Thursday, though, will feature yet another little blip of energy that should help fire up some storms by the late afternoon and evening hours. This is around 7-8 o'clock tomorrow. That again will have the potential producing some strong severe thunderstorms. In fact, Thursday we actually see that severe weather risk increase to a level 2 out of 5 for the good majority of our area. Friday we'll start to see it wind down, but we still have some areas, at least our hill country zones, that could be looking at some stronger storms. It'll be actually thanks to a cold front moving through on Friday. This will be bringing out our next best and I think our best chance for rain out of the week. This front pushes southward through the day. Showers and storms on Friday afternoon into Friday evening. It clears our area, and then we're looking a little bit drier in time for the weekend and cooler as well. 89 degrees for a high temperature today. We cool back down to the lower 70s as we head into tonight. Those winds again will be a little bit gusty for us. Showers and storms continue into your Thursday, Friday featuring the highest rain chance. That front pushes through, and then we're looking. April overall has been a little bit of a drier than average month, but we have also seen those warmer than average temperatures. We actually have been nearly 4 degrees above average as far as our temperature department has gone. It's been a warm April. We've seen rainfall totals that have clocked in at just over 2 inches out at Camp Mabry, but to end out the month, hopefully we get in a little bit more rain today as we still continue on with the deficit. Now, May, the month that we're heading into tomorrow, on average is the wettest month in Austin. That's where on average we pick up over 5 inches of rain, and it looks like we are heading in that direction right on time. Mother Nature is going to be bringing us a pretty wet forecast. Data having a tough time loading up. There it goes on this map, where notice next 7 days as we head into the next week, we have some pretty decent rainfall totals ahead. We could be picking up anywhere potentially between 1 to 2 inches for those areas in the blues and purples. Notice so the areas that are in orange and also red, those are indicating rainfall totals over the next week or so of 3, 4, possibly even up to 5 inches of rain from the daily rain chances that we will have starting today.